First para. Read first para. I think gone, it's gone. Correct, no? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, gone through? Gone through? Yes, my dear. Hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they had different teams: engineering team, designing team, marketing team, operations team, and user end. But the problem was each other's language they don't understand. You know, marketing MBA guys speak a different words, different language. Correct? No? He understands customer actual needs. On engineering side, engineers will speak different words, different terminology, different mindset. So then company felt there was a need to coordinate. Okay? Read the second para. Done? Done? Finished? Rahul, Manivannan, Anurag? Whichever names I remember, I am calling. Others don't mind, please. Oh, 43 students. Very good. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
Finished
some
second.
network issue.
Okay, network issue. Manivannan, are you there?
Sir.
Nani, don't make noise. My class is going on. Please. Huh? Manivannan, are you there? Anurag, finished reading second para? Everyone finished reading?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to explain para 1 and 2? Is it necessary? Is it necessary for me to explain 1 and 2?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, I don't think so. Okay. We will discuss the best sentences, words required for us to learn. Okay. If something can be learned by reading, we'll do reading only. If something can be learned by my words, then only I'll speak. Is it okay for all of you? Acceptable?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
See the third paragraph? So since then, that means Microsoft Excel, which we are using daily, was the origination of a team leaders concept. Okay, origination of from that period, all companies started understanding the importance of coordination. That means coordinator between engineering team, marketing team, administration team, accounts team, finance, all teams. So that's why project manager is the boss for all research projects, development project, construction project, factory building project, fabrication project, new car design. Getting me? Project manager is the leader, not accounts guy, not finance guy, not some mechanical guy, not some electrical guy. An engineer with managerial skills would be project manager. The managerial skills you all are going to learn in this subject. Okay. By the end of 5th chapter, you learn all the critical concepts. In the 6th chapter, we have one workbook. Today I will show you the workbook. Today I will show you the textbook. Both I will share you today. Okay, please watch. I want to see number increasing. It is only 44. Rahul and Manivannan, can you call your friends and ask to join wherever possible? Okay.
Sure, sir.
Even others also, Anurag, whoever want to help their friends can remind them, ask them to join. Poll I have not yet used. I will do polling today for attendance. Okay. Let me go to the material for you. I'm opening the document. New share workbook. Visible? New share and workbook. Okay, fine. Yes. The typical workbook will be like this. Workbook is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One of the workbook from your seniors. Okay. Project management workbook. A 46-page document, soft copy. This I will provide to you immediately today after the class. Go through it. Some of the pages are blank, where you need to do small exercise and fill it. You choose a project, decide the plan, write the title, decide the budget, make the work plan. This will happen simultaneously during this entire 5 chapters. Okay. When I teach chapter 1, you will finish 2 pages of workbook. When we complete chapter 2, another 2 pages. Chapter 3, up to 6th page. Chapter 4, up to 8th page. Chapter 5, up to 10th page. Workbook is done. Only 10 pages you have to work. Remaining is all material for you to read. Okay, beta? Is it okay, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us see now. The workbook. Two things you have to do, very important. That is, create charter. Charter means the project book of guidelines. Okay, the project book of guidelines. This is prepared always in advance. Normally, for all your projects in BTech or MTech or any other course, after completing project, you will make a report. Correct now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But here, charter is prepared first. Charter is a document which shows all the procedures, who are the members, stakeholders, what is the budget, who will do what are the timelines, deadlines, quality check, quantity check, financial elements, administration, all the important critical things would be there in the charter. Okay, so this is only charter. Now see, charter. One example is somebody want to start one event organization. Okay, who does events, marriage events or some functions. They named their organization Events We, and their project starting date is 30th November 2019. The project end date is 31st December 2020, almost 1 year. Then they choose one chairman for their organization, some senior guy. This was done by 3 students, okay, 3 or 4 students batch of 2019-20 batch, your seniors. Then they written the description and justification. Please read this small 3 sentences. Oh, now the score is a half century. Should I take the poll? Rahul and Manivannan, should I do now? Should I wait?
Let's wait for some time.
How much time?
5 to 10 minutes.
Should I take at 9:45? Sorry, 10:45?
You can take at 10:30, sir.
No, it is
No problem.
10:22. Okay, done, agreed. Purpose of this project is to plan, implement, and evaluate friends and family, outdoor and indoor, any kind of parties for 200 friends, colleagues, and neighbors. Some kind of party, okay, event. And what is the justification? They must ensure guests feel valued, enjoy the food and entertainment. Okay, that is the outcome, correct? No? Outcome of any of the party is people should feel good about it, pleasure, happiness, whether it is food, entertainment, or anything, correct? No? Maybe small English errors would be there because it was made by students only. Okay. And how do they measure the output of the project? How do they measure? Suppose you call your friend on a Sunday to your house for lunch, okay? Your mother says, invite your friends in the next Sunday. You invited them. They came, they had nice lunch. You spent good time. Mother asks, no, how is the food? Mother will ask or not? Somebody respond.
Yes, sir.
At least you will expect that majority of the people liked the food prepared by her, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So that is called measuring the output, feedback. Okay? Somebody joining late is fine. Okay, no problem. Somebody put a message in chat. Sorry for joining late. That is absolutely fine. No issue. No punishment. You join now, I'm happy. I'm happy because you are learning. Okay, let me go down. Justification done. You also need to write like this. That's all. Okay. Then high level requirements. Please read. High level requirements. Correct now? Properly defined. You agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Success criteria and who measures it. That means in your project, whatever project it is, making a car, making a bike, making aircraft, making engine component, making tool for the farmer. This morning, myself and Sai Sunai decided to go for a patent on drying of a device to dry for farmer. Okay, what to dry, how to dry, that is no secret. It is between me and Sai Sunai because it is a patent. I don't want to reveal. Okay, so we decided success criteria. Who measures it this morning at 6 a.m. I think. Sai Sunay, are you there? Are you there, Sai Sunay, in the class? He's not there?
He is not there, sir.
It's okay. So this morning we decided, what is the success criteria? Farmer should feel it is useful. You make something in your laboratory and take a photo, put in the college website, no fun. I don't like that. You make it, that should go to commercial. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone should aim for it, okay? Don't just make for the sake of getting marks. Make something which is visible to you everywhere. If you do something, entire country should use. Okay, beta? You all agree with me? No, you don't agree with me? Voices. I have to listen to you. Okay. Party runs smoothly without a hitch. Project manager will measure it. Positive feedback from neighbors and relatives. Then only it is success, correct? No? If you think that you gave a nice party to the friends, it's not success. Friends should tell, Arey Baba, you gave a nice party. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then stakeholder list. Okay. People who are involved. People involved in planning, catering. They wrote sounding, they mean the sound, music, gana bajan. Arrangements, transportation, etc. Services required for a party, no transportation. And they estimated a budget of 2 lakh Indian rupees. Okay. Then they have also prepared the milestones. Milestones. I'm putting a message to Sai Sunay to join the class now. He disturbed me morning at 6 o'clock for patent. He doesn't join my class. What is this? I put a message in. Let us see when he will join. Milestones. Because this morning we made a milestone list for Sai Sunay, and there was another guy. Who was that? Was that another boy was there in the class? Sai Sunay's dost?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Riyaz.
क्या बेटा साई सुने ने मेरे को 6 बजे उठाया अभी क्लास में नहीं आया क्या ये बोलो दोस्त को तुरंत ज्वाइन करने का ओके so January 1st project plan should be fixed. This is ending date. Guest list January 2nd. Guest invited 3rd January. Sound system etc. arrangement January 15th. Party day January 17th as per that student batch. Okay. Some sales they mentioned 20th, closing 22nd, something like this. Okay. That means that the dates you should mention. And also they have divided their works. Somebody manager, somebody head, somebody sponsor. Okay. Then next it goes like this. What is Sai Bharat's role is to guide. Ashwant to organize. Somebody else, maybe his father, head of the family, who is the sponsor. Okay. And one project member and one guest. Some work they might have distributed. Then they do ranking for all these 4 people. That we'll discuss later, no issue. Then several stakeholders. What is their power level? For example, stakeholder 1, his rank, role, and goal. This must be defined in advance very clearly. Okay? The team must decide in advance who will do what very clearly. No confusion. Clear clarity. Are you able to follow this columns? Name of the stakeholder, rank,
role and goal.
There is a mistake here actually. Here rank means interest level and power level. That should be the heading. Here the heading should be interest level and power level. Now, some people will have interest but no power. Some people will have power and interest both. It depends, okay? Because all the team members may not have wholehearted interest. Suppose you are working on a project. You engage one draftsman for making a drawing. That fellow's interest is only to get money paid by you for the drawing. That's all. He doesn't want your project to be successful. Am I correct or not?
Sir.
This is called low interest. His interest is low and power also low. Whereas the project important team members like you, your interest level will be high, power will be high. Power means you can decide to do or not, when to do, what to do, how much money. Anyway, a more detailed discussion we will do later. So this was the thing I was discussing with you. Okay, milestones, requirements, about 10 pages to be filled. Okay, and you need to prepare one small diagram like this. It's called work breakdown structure. Okay, division of work, simple, not complex. Okay, now let me go back to the PPT. Should I close this?
Yes, sir.
Then meanwhile, I'll open the PPT. This I'll share immediately after the class. Please check whether you have this or not. Everyone check yourself. I am sure you all will possess this. Yes or no? You all must be already possessing this. Anurag? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You all. I am sure. I don't think any one of you is not having these three. Cannot happen. Your generation is born intelligent, born entrepreneurial mindset, born questioning behavior, thirsty for knowledge, at the same time naughty. That is okay, acceptable. Naughtiness is acceptable. Hope I am talking sense. Making sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See the last one? You must win.
Sir, the PPT is not visible.
Sir, we
sir.
can't see the screen, sir.
Oh, okay, I'll do. Red screen. PP. Thank you, dear. Interaction helps this way. Yes. Now you please see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These three must have been already possessed by all of you. Am I correct?
Sir.
Am I correct? You can disagree with me. No problem. You can say, sir, I disagree with you. You can very much disagree with me. Correct now? Should I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has got background noise, they can mute themselves. Can you kindly stop that Nalla business? Somebody please. Please don't mind. Okay, good. Go to next. Right. This is the lecture for today actually. Okay, beta. I thought of bringing gradually to understand your capability and role of a project manager. Please see. Initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, closing the project. Correct now? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Take a snap, note down in the notebook. Either take a snap or note down in the notebook. Initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. Let me take attendance now. There is some question in poll which I don't know the answer. What is the value of Bohr radius? Radius, it should be angstrom unit.
0.52 angstrom, sir.
Okay, I launched. Please answer so that your attendance is recorded.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
0. Yes.
Yeah, click any answer. Your answer is recorded. Only those people attempts poll will get attendance, please. Only 13 people till now out of 52. Somebody raise hand. 389. Yes, please. Oh, wonderful. 50% people done. Fantastic. Uh, 33 people done. Others, please finish quickly. Please attend the poll quickly without delay. 17 people left. अरे बेटा जल्दी करो. Everyone, please attempt for the poll. 17 people left. Only 34 done. Rahul and Manivannan, advise your classmates, please. Still 14 people left. Attempt whether right or wrong. Okay, attempt is important. This is only to wake you up. Somebody sleeping, please get up, wake up, wake up. Okay. 15 people left. Do it quickly. 15 people left. CRs, please help others to finish. Hey, Bhaiya, please stop that muggu. Please mute. Somebody observe background. Please mute yourself. Okay. 12 people left. 12. Good morning. Wake up. Good morning, beta. Wake up. 12 people left. करो करो जल्दी करो. Eleven people left. जल्दी उठो, चॉकलेट खिलाएंगे. I'm going to end the polling now without wasting much time. Rahul and Manivannan, advise me, when should I end polling? PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll continue PPT. Meanwhile, let us see others to attempt for the poll. Okay, the poll will be open for another 5 minutes. Still 11 people left. Okay, so these are the roles. First one is manage relations. Okay, manage relations with the whom?
Stakeholders, in particular customers.
Customer is very important. You may make rocket. If there is no customer who can use it, your rocket is useless. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
You may make great nuclear device that is not useful for humankind or security for the country. You may make a great tool, but nobody like to touch that. Useless. You may tell 1,000 stories, but none of the story is interesting. Useless. Correct, no?
Yes.
Oh, Sai Sunay got up now. He joined now. How beta? You joined?
Yes, sir.
I'm not happy. Why you joined late? Anyway, put your attendance. Don't be late next time. Whatever reason you joined later, poll. Polling done? Still 8 people, 7 people left. अरे भाई उसको उठाओ भाई, कौन है वो 7 लोग जो क्लास में आके सो रहे हैं? Rahul and Manivarnan, can you check who are those 7 wasting our time?
How can we, sir?
That is a challenge. Find a solution for this. It is a patent. Find a solution for a problem. It is a research paper. Please remember this. Try. Sharpen your saw. Chalo. I am closing the poll. If both seers agree.
How many left, sir?
7 left. 45 voted. 7 left. Those 7 must be. They put on the